Hello, good morning, great to be.
Good morning, Mr. Morning, Mr. Cakra.
Good morning, Asaji. Good morning, Fevil. Good morning, Dennis.
Good morning, Mr. Cakra.
Good morning, Patricia.
Jadi gitu toh ceritanya Naura bilang
Maaf, Mister kepencet lagi, Mister.
Itu toh.
Jadi udah kebuka video terus kepencet lagi.
Kenapa sih, Naura? Udah buka puasa, Naura?
Cakra bukan nggak dijawab.
Hello, good morning, Artana.
Mister.
Good morning, Kiel. Itu apa? Good morning, Zoe. Hello.
Good morning, Mister.
Good morning, Alfi. Masih semangat?
Masih banget.
Halus dong. Aduh, Mr. Cakra.
Pulang aja ya.
Oh.
Ya, aku
Aduh,
pulang.
Mr. Cakra udah mulai lemes.
Meskipun Naura itu dari tadi itu keroncong-keroncong. Sama
Iya.
mulai lemas Mister.
Ya, kok nge-lag?
Apa kita pulang?
Bentar. Kalian nge-freeze.
Ya, ini take dulu. Ya. Mister.
Halo?
Mister. Di kelas ini kan karena Erwin nggak ada, jadi kan kita cuma 16.
Kok kalian nge-freeze?
Nanya dari kelas
Wah, ini baru
A sama
bergerak.
2C itu yang mana paling banyak, sama 2A, 2B, 2C. Yang mana paling banyak anaknya? Paling banyak anaknya. 2B.
Kayaknya kita ada 2B deh.
2B kan Kak. Menurut aku sih
2C itu cuma 15 atau 16 anak gitu.
16.
16.
Apa 2A itu 16, Mister? Terus sama 2A tuh 16, bukan sama.
Kalau 2C?
Kecuali kita 17.
2 itu berapa?
Kalau 2C?
15.
Kebanyakan kita dong.
Kita adalah nomor
2B.
1.
Oke, workbook page 70 already ya? 70 ya.
Itu mah udah Mister.
Goodbye.
Oke, page 71.
Yep.
Yeah, 71. Still about clothes ya. Kemarin kita sudah ngasih perbedaan beberapa nama pakaian dalam UK sama US. Ntar misal hapus dulu jawabannya si L.
Oh, itu halaman berapa?
71. 71.
Itu buku apa Mister?
Workbook. English workbook.
Halaman?
71.
Mister, di situ kok perasaan yang pakai baju kuning itu banyak kali lah, Mister. Ada 4, Mister. Kok ungu cuma 1, Mister?
Oke, misal buka.
3. Cuma 3. Pink ada 3. Banyak lah.
Sudah.
Ada 2. Iya.
Sudah.
Sebentar. Ntar misal lagi buka aplikasinya. Oh, ini dia.
Kalau pasti aku pengennya tidur.
Get Smart Plus 2 by HQ Mitchell and Marileni Malku.
Chapter 9.
Mister. Bentar ya. Apa itu, Mister?
Enggak ada ya.
Apa?
itu halaman apa?
71.
Oke, Mister.
Oke, yuk. Let me start. Nggak ada di sini. Yeah, let's play. Let's play 9.
Na 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 na.
Module 9. Story time. Whose jacket?
Terus jaket.
1 minute.
Module 9. Let's play.
Is he wearing black trousers?
Kamu ganti dulu.
No, he isn't.
Halaman berapa?
71. Oke, you
Ulang,
can...
Mister, nggak kedengeran.
Sebentar.
Gara-gara
Nggak kedengeran. Oke, listen carefully ya. And then you can answer.
Module 9. Let's play.
Is he wearing black trousers?
No, he isn't.
Is he wearing a yellow t-shirt?
Yes, he is.
Is he wearing pajamas? Is he wearing pajamas? Ini yang di mana sih, Mister?
Ini yang
Itu.
let's play. Nah,
Iya, maksudnya yang yellow-yellownya di mana?
Kan
circle. Nah, nih circle kan. The question is who is Sam? Nah,
ikutan circlein apa?
when you listening ya.
Let's play.
Is he wearing black trousers?
The black trouser.
No, he isn't.
Is he wearing a yellow t-shirt?
Yes, he is.
It's Tom.
Apa tadi?
Yellow t-shirt. Okay, you can circle.
Mana yellow t-shirt?
Module 9. Let's play.
Is he wearing black trousers?
Coba di mute dulu
No,
yang lain.
he isn't.
Is he wearing a yellow t-shirt?
Yes, he is.
Mister, itu halaman berapa?
This page 71.
Mister, perasaan nggak ada yellow t-shirts deh.
Iya, Mister.
Ini sweater semua ya, jumper ya.
Nggak ada yellow t-shirt.
Adanya green doang.
Coba sebentar, Mister cek audionya.
Module 9. Our world. Traditional clothes.
This is Manuel.
Yang asli. Kreatif.
Harus
Is there a cinema in your...
Mister, itu halaman berapa?
71.
Module 7. Let...
Moco. Kenapa ya moco?
F-R.
Iya. Pas aku bilang kenapa ada moco. Terus dia bilang,
It's
Oh, dia nggak ada.
itu nggak ada
Workbook
tulisannya.
71. Oke, we directly go to skip ya. Session 3. Audionya tadi nggak ketemu.
isn't, is.
Ini harus ada apa namanya? Audionya nggak ketemu. Okay, you can look up for session 3 ya. You can look the picture. The man with the red t-shirt and green, and the lady with the pink or white. Ini pink atau white sih?
Why?
White ya. Oke. Wait, must to cover also the answer.
Udah kelihatan, Mister. Kita udah jawab. Kita udah tahu jawabannya.
Okay.
Iya.
Buku apa, Mister?
Workbook. Yang workbook ya. Okay. For number 1, is he wearing a red t-shirt? Yes, he is.
Yes.
How about number 2? Is she wearing a white dress?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, what? She?
Yes.
Yes, she is. Okay. Number 3. Is he wearing a yellow hat?
No, he is
No. Huh? No. It
He is
isn't. Kasih ini ya, apa nih? Tanda koma atas. Oke. Is she wearing a white sock?
Mister,
Yes, ya.
Mister Nora mau dulu.
No. Yeah, just the bare leg ya. Jadi nggak pakai kaos kaki dia. No.
No, she isn't.
No, he isn't.
Oh iya lupa, sorry. No. She. Haknya where is it's she
Kos kaki,
is
Mister.
not.
Bukan si. Mister. Si.
Iya. Dia pakai kaos kaki enggak nih, gambarnya enggak kelihatan.
Oh, yang cewek.
Enggak ya? Kan yang ceweknya. No. She is not. Is not. She is not. 5. Is he wearing glasses?
Yes, he is.
Yes.
Yes, he is.
He is. Sorry.
Bukan it is. He is.
Ya.
Aku bilang tadi he is.
Sis. That one. 6.
Mister, kok yesnya kok nggak ada komanya?
Typo. Nah nih.
Yes.
Ke warna putih. Dah tuh. Is she wearing a green shoes? No.
Yes, yes.
No, he isn't.
Green short.
No.
Green. C. Green
No, she
short.
isn't.
Nah, no.
Yang cowok.
Is
Bebas.
yang the man ya, the man wearing a green short. Si L tadi cuma jawab is, isn't. Harusnya dijawabnya menggunakan yes or no. Oke, done. We go to next page. Okay, this a project.
Aku udah tahu jawabannya.
Are you sure? Okay, let we listen the song. Nah, ini kayaknya ada ya apa? Project ya. 9 project. Where is the project?
Udah tahu jawabannya. Sudah selesai, Mister.
Yeah.
Mister, PJMS itu apa ya, Mister?
PJMS, when you go to sleep, go to your bedroom.
Namanya baju tidur.
Pajamas. Ini Alsoro dari answer ya.
Udah selesai. Kayaknya baju panjang deh. Mister Cakra.
Iya. Ya?
Yang Mel, Mister, yang Mel.
Ya, Mel. Pajamas. Who is wearing? Ini lagunya mana ya? Ini bukan.
Ya, a dress. Gak usah pakai lagu, udah tahu jawabannya.
Jewel 9.
Kalau ngomong
Clothes.
pijamas itu jadinya pijamas.
Sing a
Iya,
song.
pajamas.
Cakra.
Whose is this?
Jamet. Cakra.
Ya.
Itu yang apa tuh namanya glass.
Glass, nih glass, glass.
Kan ya.
Ah,
Bila kamu ngapain?
Whose is this? Whose is this? Whose hat is this?
bukan ya?
It's Pat's.
Oh,
Kita sudah pengen lanjut nih. Jangan-jangan yang Saura udah tulis ini semuanya.
Belum, ada yang belum. Oh, ini story time. Nah, story time. Nih, story time.
Mister Naura main HP.
Naura.
Module 9.
Oke,
Story
listen.
time. Whose jacket is this?
Okay, kids. Your jackets are on the bed.
What a mess! This isn't my jacket.
It's Anne's.
She's on her way home, John. But what is she wearing?
This jacket is big. It isn't my jacket. And whose are these? Are these John's glasses?
What are you wearing? Whose jacket is that?
Tadi aku belum.
Bentar, gimana?
Anne, wait. You're wearing my jacket.
Sorry, we've got the same jacket.
Okay, first, where are the jacket?
Module 9.
Nih,
On the bed. In the bed.
in or on?
On the bed.
Nih, nih. Nih in, nih in,
On the bed.
nih on. Ah, ya, on the bed, ya. Lupa ya, on and in, on the bed, ya.
Ini tuh kan
Oke.
di dalam. On itu kan di atas.
Okay, is this John jacket? Yeah, no. This is not. Yeah, because this is not. Okay, are these glasses?
No.
Yeah, no.
She is not. It's not the way. Because he found inside the jacket inside her.
Yeah, because that's the jacket for John, yeah, John jacket. So John keep his glasses on his in his pocket.
No, he isn't.
Okay, 4. Is Anne wearing John jacket? Yes. Yes.
Look how giant it is on her.
Yeah. And need a long time to recognize that Anne get the wrong jacket.
She is.
Okay. After
Naura
this,
boleh tanya nggak?
apa?
Kenapa setiap kali kalau Naura mau ngomong pijamas nih,
Pijamas.
pasti ngomong kayak begini, pijamet.
Kamu nonton film kartun itu apa? Ninja Pajamas ya?
Enggak.
Ninja Pajamas atau apa sih namanya?
PJ namanya.
Pijamas, pijamas. Itu kartun apa namanya?
Itu yang kucing itu.
Iya, yang kucing, yang gecko.
Dia juga ada yang
Ya, pijamas, pijamas.
tadi aku yang 71 belum.
Bentar, setelah ini ya.
Itu kampus gadis guna. PJ belum.
Nih, Gibran. Bet.
Mister, berapa menit lagi? Berapa menit lagi?
Berapa nih? 15, 17, 22 menit lagi.
Oh,
Nikmatin aja.
dimatiin aja terus. Mister, boleh nggak waktunya itu dikurangin dari jam 8 sampai jam 10?
Ini aja udah dikurangin. Ini kita udah berkurang.
Ditambahin dari jam 1 Naura.
15, 3, 45, 45 tambah 35. Udah berkurang 1 jam. Naura, kita berkurang
jam 2 siang.
1 jam 15 menit atau 75 menit. Nah, kita udah berkurang 75 menit nih sehari. Ini aja materi pas banget. Oke, finish Gibran. Harus Gibran.
Naura ini pengennya dari jam 9 sampai jam 10.
Nikmatin aja Naura.
Abis itu ya udah.
Gibran finish.
Naura pengennya itu tuh 2 pelajaran aja udah. Mister, ini di foto.
Enggak, yang ini. Oke, for page 74 for your home activity ya. You can continue at home. 74 page 74 revision.
Emang udah selesai, Mister?
Belum, nanti masih ada lagi.
Berapa menit lagi sudah selesai?
Okay, look at the picture and spot the difference. You can look up the difference ya. Look up for carefully. For picture A and picture B, he or she wearing what? Okay. And for number 2, you can
Mister, picture A-nya.
picture A,
Mister,
coat or jacket. You can look the difference. Don't forget nih. Ada yang
Mister
lupa.
Cakra.
Iya.
Enggak jadi deh.
Where's I forgot the.
Naura kerjain dulu sekarang, Mister.
Coat ya. Coat and jacket is different. Mantel disebutnya mantel agak panjang. Ini student book loh, yang ini student book. Okay, now Mr. Cakra have a ebook. Mr. Cakra have a story nih. So, let we read. The story about totally bored Boris. Boris.
I want you know in another mirror gaga this is teta wiki we maho lucu banget Mister gambarnya.
Okay, the totally bored Boris. Okay, first I will read the first paragraph. Okay, first story, page 1. Boris had played with all his toys. He had read all of his book, but now he didn't know what to do next. He thought but he could think of nothing to do. Nothing to do nih. Already finished his toys and already had to read all of his book. Boris was totally bored. Okay, in this case, there is no internet, I think if the Boris have an internet, Boris never get bored. Okay, next story first from Adrian. Adrian, can you read, Adrian? This paragraph and Alvar. Yeah, why don't you go fishing? Okay. Next, Alvar. Second paragraph, yuk, Alvar. Mana Alvar? Alvara nggak ada, kita skip ke Alfi. Alvar ada, Alvar. Ya, Alvar.
Mr. Tucker, may I go to the toilet?
Ya, you can go to toilet, Zoe. Di unmute, sorry Alvar. Can you unmute? Suaranya nggak kedengeran. Oke, yuk. Fishing is not fun.
Fishing is not fun to do
Alone.
Tight,
Boris.
please do something. Will me I can ring now.
Right.
Sight his
Father.
but we don't you read a book. I am
Tired.
tired of my books.
Replied.
Boris.
Okay, thank you ya. So Boris asks his father nih to do something with Boris, but the father still busy ya.
Toilet,
Okay, you can go to toilet. Nah, and the father asks, why don't you read a book? I'm tired of my book. Replied.
Kok nggak pakai baju sih?
Kan beruang, bajunya bulu. Dia mahal bajunya. Pak, terbuat dari kulit beruang. Mahal kan bajunya?
Love to sight his mother but prosaic. Boris hoped that his mother will do something with him. I love to sight his mother. Jam 11.
Oke. Dah Alvar. Oke, thank you Alvar. Lanjut Alfi. Alfi dari sini, Alfi dari buat ya nanti 15 menit lagi Dennis. Ayo Alfi, mana Alfi?
Perasaan Naura tadi kan jam 11.
Ya Alfi nggak ada. Artana, yuk Artana. Continue Artana the story.
Apa?
Continue from but I promise your little sister.
I promised your little sister I'd bake some cookies with her. Why don't you help us? No, cried Boris. I hate my sister and I hate baking cookies. And he stomped back to his room.
Yeah, no. No, thank you Artana. Okay, next. Ya. Mana nih? Artana. Pascal. Ya, Pascal. Pascal. Kelihatan nggak Pascal?
Yang mana, Mister?
Nih, yang ini. Kelihatan nggak?
Miss could hear happy noises coming from the kitchen. The carrot and even worse. He used to go through
Treehouse.
the house.
Okay, thank you Pascal ya. Boris could hear happy noise coming from the kitchen nih. The mother and his sister ya baking some cookies together. So he decided to go to his treehouse. Okay, maybe there's something to play with there. He said. He took his trumpet with him just in case there wasn't. Okay, next. Dennis, kelihatan gak nih Dennis? Dennis, mana Dennis? Yuk.
But as soon as
Boris had climbed
climbed up the tree, he saw that there was nothing to do. It was as boring
As
back
being.
in his room.
Okay, thank you Dennis ya. Boring nih. There was nothing to do. It was as boring as being back in his room. There is no activity ya inside a house, even outside from house. Okay, what can I do? What can I do nih? He asked himself over and over again. There were a lot of things he didn't want to do, but nothing that he really want to do. He want to do something, but he think there is nothing to do. Yeah, he think want to do something, but there is nothing to do. Okay, after Dennis, Fensei, where's Fensei? Okay, Vincent still not respond. Ayo, Priscilla. Di unmute Priscilla, sorry. Priscilla.
Cardboard box came looking back from inside came the voice of Boris' sister. Can't think I'm on my way to build a castle, but no one will know where it is. It's a secret. Okay, thank you Priscilla ya. Finally nih, suddenly a huge cardboard atau di kita disebutnya kardus, kotak kardus. Nah, ini dia nih, finally. Oke, Priscilla go to Gibran. Ayo Gibran. Mana Gibran? Ya.
Ya, Mister. From history, Boris called
Exactly.
where he was going building castle. He thought, what Boris? He had just got on spaceship out of it. He kept watching as his sister and her friend began their work.
Okay, thank you Gibran ya. From history, Triboris could see exactly where she was going, building a castle. He thought, oh, what a boring idea. If I had that box, I will to make a spaceship ya. He kept watching as his sister and his friend began their work. Okay, with the cardboard. Okay, after Naura, yuk Naura.
What is that?
Naura, yuk read.
Okay. So Boris saw everyone testing
Cut out.
and button on the castle and painting picture on the walls. Boris knew what
He
won't
have
have done inside a
spaceship,
would need
rockets,
and
aerials,
aerials and lots
other
of
things.
other things, but then he remembered that he was
He was
much too bored to do anything anyway.
Okay, thank you. Anyone know about aerials? Ada yang tahu nggak aerials?
Nggak tahu.
Nih, aerials apa?
No, I don't know. I don't know what that
Sayap.
means.
Dia tapi sayapnya untuk pesawat ya. Untuk pesawat, bukan roket sayapnya tuh. yang buat sayap terbang, bukan sayap burung. Bukan sayap burung, aerials. Ya, need a rocket kan? Ya, mirip seperti itulah. Oke, now next. Tuh. Oh, this a castle ya. Wow, the great job. Oke, next after Naura, Cia.
Gitu amat Pak itu.
Iya, Cia. Patricia. Unmute, sorry, Patricia. Di unmute, Patricia. You still mute. I can't hear you.
Lupa,
Oh. Yeah.
The next king was his sister and her friends carrying creamers and creepy pepper. I was they going to have a party for his toads. So what? I hate parties. But apa tuh bisa bahasanya?
He keep ya sama he keep watching them
from his tree house.
Okay, thank you Patricia ya. I guess they are going to have party. Nah, Boris thought, so what? I hate party. Nah, dia nggak suka nih pesta-pesta. Oh, tuh. Oh, so much fun. Yeah.
He's a very, very stalker.
Oh, so many balloon. You can look up the balloon with the hot dog. Can you imagine with the nail? Yeah.
And then fall and flunk.
Yeah. This hot dog's gonna blow up the balloon. With his nail. Oh, this not good. Yeah, but it's okay. Only the illustration. Okay, next. Fevil. Yaudah. Yaudah nggak apa-apa, Fevil. Fevil sampai sini ya.
Okay. Mother give us all her old jewelry and clothes to play, dress up in his little sister said very loudly as she passed under Boris' tree a few minutes later. I be a princess, but you won't see it. He added, of course. He won't see it. Boris thought to himself, and he acted as if he weren't
even interested. Okay, thank you ya. Ya. Nih, he act as he weren't even interested. Nah, pura-pura nih. Padahal dia pengen. Tuh. This illustration. Nah, that's not fun. I hate party. Oke, Ji. Lupa tadi harusnya Mas Haji dulu. Oh, enggak apa-apa. Ayo, Ji. Mana Mas Haji?
Laptop aku 38, Mister. Chargernya soalnya lupa dibawa.
Ya, yaudah dibaca. Ya. Ini sepatunya kok. Ayo, Ji.
Sepatunya lepas.
The dressing up sound very noisy and cheerful.
Sound very noisy and cheerful. Boris
Imagine
what he would dress up as if it were
his party
a
Spaceman.
spaceman, or even an
Alien.
alien from a
Strange.
strange planet.
Okay, yeah. Boris imagine what he would. Yeah, dress up if it were in join with the his party, yeah, as a spaceman or even alien from strange planet. Ooh, this we call party. Okay, there is king, the king. His sister become a king, yeah. Where's the balloon? The balloon already blew up with the head of. Oh, okay. Now, Ferran. Where's Ferran? Ferran? Ini Ferran bawanya Kiel. Where's Ferran? Ya, Ferran.
Then Boris saw that the others were having a good time and he wished that made him feel more out of sorts
Shots than ever.
ever.
Oke, thank you. Lanjut, Kiel.
When
That's supposed to be
the boss saw the princess, Cloud take a
Snapshot.
Boris
Boris
one
threw it down.
twins down at them, but they were have to get a time to
Okay, thank you, Kiel. Yeah, they were having a good time to notice. They take a picture together. There is a boar. This raccoon wearing a dress. This raccoon wearing a dress. Okay, the last Zoe. Yeah, Zoe. Okay.
There's to her friend. Itu beruang raja ya.
Yeah.
I mean a royalty.
Yes. Proudly.
With
Yeah. She walked proudly with by the Boris tree again, this time carrying a bowl filled with the warm cookies. Make the Boris jealous. Yeah. You can look up. Yeah. Okay, I think we will continue at the next week. Yeah, next week. I will give this ebook, yeah, this story at group. You can read for the weekend, and then we can continue for next week.
kita udah selesai.
Okay, I think finish for today. Don't forget your home activity, ya, English, ya, and your math. Okay, bye bye. Thank you. Kenapa? Bye bye.
Name's supposed to be Kel.
Who?
Kel's name.
Home activity. Artana?
Itu sih.
Bentar, Artana.
Home activity.
Iya, Inggrisnya tadi.
Bukan. Trainers itu apa?
Yang mana?
Udah trainers.
Boleh.
Kita coba lihat ke bagian 2.
Trainers itu sneaker.
5. Hah?
Sneaker. Kenapa Zoe? Bentar, Zoe.
How about next week we bring our book so we read our book?
Oh, you want to bring your own art book?
I got a lot of books.
Okay, it's okay. If you wanna, maybe you can make the short story after you read the whole your book. You can make a conclusion, the point of your story.
Yeah, I mean like that, mister.
Okay, it's okay. Okay, yeah. For next week.
From the store.
Okay, I think it's a good idea. Okay. Oke, see you next week. Tomorrow. Bye bye Zoe. Ini fansnya kemana fansnya?